In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text in Figma. Easy. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the essential text controls and how to tweak them for a clean, readable design. First, open the Figma website in your browser or launch the desktop app. Sign in if you need to, and give Figma a moment to load your workspace. This ensures everything is synced and ready, especially if you're switching between devices or collaborating with a team. Next, open your design. You can select it from your recent files or from the project where it's saved. Once it's open, navigate to the frame or artboard you want to work on. It helps to zoom into the area with your text so you can see changes clearly as you make them. Inside your frame, make sure your text is ready to edit. Click on the text layer to select it. If you see a bounding box and text properties in the sidebar, you're in good shape. Double-click the text to place the cursor inside and highlight any words you want to change. Keeping the text layer selected ensures you'll see all the relevant options for formatting. Now look to the design panel on the side of your screen. Under typography, you'll find the core controls for your text. Start with the font family and style. Choose a font that matches the tone of your project, clean and modern for interfaces, or something more expressive for headings. You can switch between weights like regular, medium, and bold to create hierarchy without changing fonts. Right below, adjust the font size to fit the space and purpose of your text. For body copy, keep it comfortably readable. For headings, scale up so they stand out. Next, set the line height. This controls the vertical spacing between lines. A slightly larger line height often improves readability. Aim for a value that gives your text a bit of breathing room without looking disconnected. You'll also see additional options such as letter spacing, alignment, and text casing. Letter spacing can help with legibility in all caps or very small text. Alignment keeps your layout consistent, left aligned for most paragraphs, center for short titles or labels. As you make adjustments, watch your design update in real time and make sure everything feels balanced. That's it. Open Figma, open your design, confirm your text layer is ready, and use the typography panel to fine-tune font, size, and line height. With a few thoughtful tweaks, your text will look polished and professional.